we're Fifth Harmony, and this is Awesomeness TV.
We are so excited to be hosting this week.
We got a sneak peek of some of the sketches, and they are awesome
And hilarious.
And crazy.
But don't take our word for it. Stick around and see for yourself.
Enjoy the show!
Hey there, and welcome back. You know, we always strive to be the best.
That's why when I found out that there was a World's Best Babysitter Award, I immediately found a kid to babysit. Trust me, that award is as good as mine.
I think you mean that award is as good as mine.
Actually, I think we all know that I'm the world's best babysitter.
Hey, ladies. Where's the kid?
You had the kid. You had it.
I did not.
Oh, hi. I was just brushing up on some history. Did you guys know that Benjamin Franklin flew to the moon on a kite? It doesn't seem right. Hold on. Who would write something like this?
This next kid follows every rule. Eats the same thing for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Wow, the most interesting kid in the world seems a little boring.
Oh, sorry. I thought we were talking about the least interesting kid in the world.
Oh, okay.
Forget everything I said. Just roll the sketch. Welcome back. Life is full of firsts. The first words you say.
The first tooth you lose.
The first time you sing on live television.
First time you go on tour.
But those are simple things. This is pretty huge. This is our first time ensuring a sketch about firsts. We can cross that off.
You know when you call someone for help with a problem and they just keep talking and talking and talking and they aren't helping you solve the problem, they just keep talking and rambling, but you're starting to get frustrated because all you want is a solution to the problem, but they just keep going and going.
I think they get it. Thank you, but I think they get it.
But just in case you don't, check out this next sketch. What's up with her?
This show has had a lot of laughs.
A few scares.
A little bit of drama.
But not as much drama as this girl.
Well, that's our show.
It's been a blast hosting Awesomeness TV.
Tune in next week for more hilarious sketches. I know we will.
Bye!